I got this hat from Prada and it's gonna be white musk. I did my nails. Got this much stuff. So it looks like this. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Kikyo. It's been a while that I didn't make any YouTube videos because I was working on my part-time jobs, and I apologize that I didn't make video for 3 months, and I will try my best to do more videos because I love making YouTube videos. So it's been a while. I did my nails. I will put the picture here. I kind of designed this nail by myself and it looks really cute. It's the cow print. Yay. And today's outfit, this one is a Japanese clothes brand. It's called Snidel. And my pan is Bershka. So and this one is what's that called? Pandora, and my watch is Gucci. It's vintage. I'm gonna talk about my thrifting stuff in next video, so I will talk about this one. So let's get started. Today's video is about Pacsun unboxing haul and what I've been shopping in June. So I got this much stuff. First, I got around $500 Pacsun clothes. All of the clothes right here. I kind of don't remember what I got because I ordered it from Japan and they have to ship it from the US. If you're not living in the States, be prepared that you're gonna get it a month later. So the first thing, I actually don't know what are they. So it looks like a little top, this basic top, black one. So I don't really have this kind of basic top and I want to get a lot because it's just useful. You can wear it anywhere, anytime. This one is a gray top, little tank top. Is it? I think it's it. Oh, it looks like this. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a little bit 90s style. This gray color just make my skin look so healthy and I love it. Next thing, I got 2 shorts, black shorts. Oh, this one is from Playboy. So recently I've been obsessed with Playboy by Pacsun. I love their design, I love the style. It's Y2K. I love it. This shorts is from Playboy. It looks like this. And then we have this one is just Pacsun shorts. The material of their jeans is just so comfortable and I love them. This one looks like this, light blue. I have another one for sky blue. Well, it's not sky blue, but it's sky blue. Probably you can't see from the camera, it looks gray, but the color is actually sky blue. So the last time I ordered Pacsun, I ordered exactly the same cardigan and it's the brown one. I really like it, so it's really useful, and I got the sky blue one. Looks like this. What's this? I love this color. It's perfect for summer. So next thing we have Bikini Gore. Okay, sorry. TikTok character just bomb up. So we have our bikini section. Wait, we have another sweater. Why I got sweater? Oh, is it cardigan? Why I got so many sweater in summer? That's so weird. Okay, this one. So it looks like that. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so soft. I love it. It's from LA Hearts by Pacsun. So basically, I can just wear it like with this top because it's the same color. And let's try it on. Oh my god. I think we better just wear without top. Like just wear it like a sweater because it looks a little bit ugly if I wear it like this. So this one. Actually, I only bought 2 sets of bikini. I thought I got more, but I was planning to go to Okinawa in summer because the vaccine, it's always like the date always delayed, so I can't go to Okinawa. Hopefully I can go next week, but we will see. I don't know when I can get my vaccine. So anyways, I got this pink Playboy bikini. It's so cute. Oh my god. It matched with my nails. Recently Recently I'm kind of dressing like the style Y2K, so this bikini is perfect for my nails and a Y2K style. And this pink, oh my god, it's so hot, guys. Get it, get it, get it. Next thing, basic bikini, the black one. And I got Playboy! Something I got in June, so not a lot of stuff. I got this lipstick from Dior. This one I got the same color, same thing before from my friends as a present, but I lost it. Yes, I lost it in a week. I always wanted to get a new one, but I didn't. So I just look like this. The color is 12 Rosewood. I only put on normal chopsticks, so I want to show you guys. First, when you put on your hands, it looks like this. So you can see like not too much color. It's just lip glow. Let's put on lips. Do you see the difference? Like this one is with the lipstick, this one without lipstick. You can tell the color is so much better, like it's so natural and make you so healthy, but not too much. And it's perfect. Okay. It's actually the first time I got perfume from Chanel, and I was always thinking that Chanel has like the perfect perfume, but for probably like older women. So I always feel like it's too much for college students until I tried it. I tried it several times in the shopping mall, and I was like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. So basically, I think the perfume from Chanel, especially number 5, just make you feel you are a woman with stories. You know what I mean? Like, I love it. It's a little bit sweet. So I got this one, so without color one. So number 5, this one is the new version, and this one will be a little bit lighter, and the flavor is orange flower. In the end, it's gonna be white musk. The thing is, I realized it stays a really short time, like basically for 3 hours, and the smell just disappeared. So you will ask, what is this? And this is shampoo, shampoo and conditioner, hair, makeup. So I first discovered this brand on internet. The point is, for this brand, you can design your own hair makeup stuff. Like, so say you want a puffy hair, and I just designed my own shampoo and conditioner. So this part, your hair is a little bit dry, a little bit blah 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 blah. Yeah, you can just design your hair. The last thing I got in June is I went to Equestrian Museum and I got this horse feet necklace. Should I try it on? It's just so cute. I'm gonna have to show you guys. It's so small. So small. Last thing I got. This guys, Prada. I got this hat from Prada and it's just so cute. And I think everyone's wearing this and I don't need to talk about it because like everyone's wearing this hat. It's just so popular, so famous, so classic. It's just perfect for everything. I mean, I have big head. Like I never wear hats because I feel no hat suits me, and this one is perfect. So basically you can wear it like this, logo in the front or a logo in the side. And I usually wear the logo in the side. So it looks like this. All the hats won't make my face look smaller, but at least not making my face look bigger, then it's good. I don't know, I love it. I love the design and I love the color. So this is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will keep posting more stuff like this, and see you guys next week. Bye. Wait, this way.